In this video, I'll be showing the complete installation of both indoor and outdoor AC units along with some of the important things that you need to consider. What is the installation cost? Which is the best AC to buy in 2023 and lot more details. So make sure you're going to watch till the end. So I have purchased this 2-ton LG AC because my room is slightly bigger. It's around 220 square feet. So why LG? I'm going to share towards the end. Inside the outdoor AC unit box, make sure you have two copper tubes which are 3 meter long. Now these copper tubes are going to be used to connect your outdoor unit and the indoor unit. So this is how the outdoor unit looks, which is great, and it also has a great finishing. And in fact, this is more than what I expected. So let me show you how exactly the outdoor unit is going to be fixed, and then I'll show you the indoor unit. So along with the installation kit, you get this pipe as well. So these are the copper pipes. Okay, so I'll show you once it is open, and you'll also get this cable. So make sure in the box you have all these three items as well. Hello. So now what they have done is, this is the power cable and two copper tubes that are there. They have put a protective tape on top of it. So again, this protective tape costs roughly around 350 rupees, which is an additional cost as well. Now this is how it looks after that. So in the AC box, you also get a remote, and you also get a user manual as well. Okay, so they would also have two batteries also. So now they're going to make the marking for fixing the AC indoor unit. And again, make sure they leave at least around 3 to 4 inches at the top. Okay, so there should be at least that gap. Now once the marking is done, they are going to drill the holes and fix this. To connect the indoor and the outdoor AC unit with the help of copper tubes and the cable, they need to drill a hole. So where the pipes are going to go out along with the tubes. Again, they can drill a hole using a normal drilling machine as well, but it might damage the wall sometimes. So what I did is I called for this core cutting where they are going to drill a 3-inch hole. Now certainly this is not going to damage the wall so much. So this is how the core cutting happens, and again this is the extra additional cost if you want to get this done. So this costed me around 1500 rupees for getting this hole drill. Again, the price may vary from 1000 to 1500. Even if you don't go for this core cutting, it's completely okay. They are just going to drill a hole, and they are going to pass both the copper tubes and electrical cable from that. Now after that, what they are going to do is they are going to cover all the damaged part with the help of a white cement. That's how they usually do. So the core cutting is done now. So let me show you how exactly the hole has been drilled now. Now if you see on the other side, right at the top there, right, you can see there is a properly cut 3-inch hole, and they get this complete piece itself from that. Okay, core cutting is not mandatory. If you want to get a good finishing, in that case you can do that. Since the AC outdoor unit is going to be placed on the roof, we had to cut this tile roof. So this is the method that we followed, but certainly it just broke the tile below that as well. Okay, but again we were able to manage with that as well. with the help of shampoo, they are checking if there is any leakage in the connections. So this is an important step to make sure everything works fine. So this is where the wiring is. So you can see this is the power cable, and this one is from outdoor unit to indoor unit copper pipe, and this is from indoor unit to outdoor unit copper pipe. So now they are covering all the holes with the white cement. So this is something that they do towards the end. So the reason why I ordered this AC is this is very silent, so it does not make too much of noise. So you can just try to hear the sound right now. Right, you literally don't hear much noise. So that's one beauty of LG AC. And again, the cooling is also very fast. So again, I have given the product link in the description. Certainly you can just click on that and purchase this product as well. So this is how the remote looks, which is very neat and elegant as well. This is the power on and off button, and again you have different controls here. So this comes with 6 in 1. So they have 6 different modes that are available, and one of the most powerful one is the Virat mode. If you put your AC on Virat mode, it can cool your room very fast. So this is how the remote looks as well. Now let me share you the complete installation cost for getting this work done. So the normal installation cost for this was rupees 1415 inclusive of GST. But again, there were some additional accessories needed. That's a 16 amp plug which costed around 100. Now if I can show you from outside what all the additional accessories that we had to get it. So again, if you see here, there is a water drain pipe that has been used. So I wanted to make sure that it is going to the right place so that it is not making dirty there. So again, this costed me roughly around 1000 rupees. So that's a water drain pipe. Okay, so including all the work and other things that they do. Now again, so let me just take you near the outdoor unit and tell you the expenses. Now this is the tape that they put on both the tubes. So you have two tubes there and one wiring also going. So this is the tube protective wrapping tape which costed around 350. So this is how it looks as well. And again, if you see there, so that's the outdoor mounting bracket. Again, that is not part of the components what we get. So that costed around 1100 rupees. So total installation cost plus accessories was around 3965.
Hi, I'm Sriram Menur here. Why did I go for a 3-star AC and not a 5-star power efficient AC? In fact, before ordering this, I was totally confused. Should I go for 3-star or a 5-star AC? Should I go for 1.5 or 210 AC? Which brand to choose? Now, after doing a lot of research, I understood this thing. The major difference between 3-star and 5-star AC is the amount of power that it is going to consume, which can save your electricity bill as well. In fact, I use AC only during the summers, so that's maybe for around 3 to 5 months maximum. No matter how much power I save, the additional investment that I would be making for 5-star AC, I felt it might not be so good as well, because the price difference between 3-star and 5-star AC for 1.5 ton AC is roughly around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So I felt that is something additional expense. If you're somebody who is going to use AC extensively, in that case you can go for 5-star. If not, 3-star is also good. Why did I go for LG? There are two major brands that I finalized before ordering this. One was LG and second was Panasonic. In fact, Panasonic was also fantastic. If I had other choice to order the AC, then it would be Panasonic. Why did I go for LG then? The only reason is the amount of noise that a LG AC makes. So this makes only around 32 decibels of noise, whereas Panasonic it's anywhere around 38 to 40 decibels, right? So that's where I felt this is more silent AC, so let me go for this. Now, if you talk about Panasonic, there is a great advantage if you want to go for Panasonic, where like they also have a mobile app if you want to control things from your mobile as well. Both of them also had a great reviews. Both LG had around rating of 4.2 and Panasonic around 4.3. So they both are amazing. Those were the two that I finalized. I've given both LG and Panasonic product links in the video description. They both are amazing ACs. If you want to pick up that, you can certainly pick that up as well. I've given for both the 110, 1.5 ton and 210 AC as well. Thank you. If you have any questions related to this, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. If you want to understand more on how to choose the right AC for your specific needs, just click on this info link to watch a complete video on that. Again, if you have any questions, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Again, all the product links have been given in the video description. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.